Guys, this video is about my left side of my walk-in closet. This is all my art stuff, my art shelves. So as you can see, my paint brushes, those are the foam ones, and then the actual brushes are right here. This is all my art stuff. These are my art books. This is my sewing basket, and then these are my crystals. These are the lavender ones, or purple, whichever you decide that you want. These are the wigs. One I made all together. I got like 25 wigs, but the curly one is the one I made. The other two I brought. So I have a mixture of wigs that I brought. It's like half and half. Half I brought, half I made. So sometimes they don't have the specific hair color that I want in the wig. So I have to buy the weave and then buy the cap and then make my own wig, basically. So these two shelves, or sections, whatever you want to call it, is all my art stuff. And then this is my art table and my chair that I use. This is my another art bag. Let me stand this way. Another art bag. And then in here is all, if you can see, my paint cans and stuff like that. There's a little basket that's like a luggage drawn, but you could put like all your paint bottles, your acetones, all that stuff in there. And then, let me see. I don't know if it's going to show up. No, it's kind of dark. I was going to show y'all my, okay, we got some light. Okay. This is I make my own picture frames. And these I just brought yesterday. There was a thrift store that was going out of business. So I went in there and I brought all their canvas boards because I'm going to take these pictures off and put my own canvas fabric on there, and I'm going to do my own thing with it. And y'all probably thinking, why is she throwing those pictures away? Because I don't know anybody to give them to. My best friend that used to live here in Jacksonville, he moved to Miami, so I don't have no other friends. So when I take these pictures off, I'm just going to throw them in the trash. I guess I could give it to my son, but I don't know. Because he's picky about certain pictures that he hang in his house. So, and I didn't even know this had envelopes on there. But anyway, I'm going to rip all these off. And I'll probably do that either Thursday or Friday. That's a lot of pictures. It's about 10 of them all together, plus the one that I got sitting right there. This one been sitting here for a while because I don't paint all the time. I paint when the mood strikes me. So, but me having all of these frames now, I have motivation to paint new stuff. But I try to get, this was the biggest one they had. So normally a picture frame like this in the store would cost you about $30, but I only paid $1.50 for it. So yeah, it was 90% off. You see how neat my house is? It was 90% off. This I did too. The speaker right here, the Bluetooth speaker, I covered it in gold and purple. I don't know how good y'all can see that because the light is not flashing over here. I don't know how to... Oh, okay, there it is. There we go. Now we got light. So I covered this whole thing. My girlfriend sent me the gold wrap. I think that's what they call it. And I literally... Ooh, I did everything on here. I covered this whole thing because like I was telling y'all, everything in my bedroom is purple and gold. Even though that's in my living room, I need to take it in my bedroom because I switch rooms. And I did this lamp. And these are the curtains that I did. I made these curtains. My grandmother taught me how to sew when I was like 7. I didn't start doing Blankets I was doing by the time I turned 10. And then when I turned 18 and 19, that's when I started doing curtains and sheets, pillowcases, stuff like that. So I also made this vase. And it's made out of, here goes some more of that gold wrap that my girlfriend sent me. But it's made out of stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree. And these are actually trays. This thing that you see right here, this is a tray that you might throw your keys or something into. But I was looking on YouTube because sometimes I need inspiration. So I went on YouTube and I got that idea. And then when I don't go on YouTube, I go to Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of ideas. Now, this chair right here, I reupholstered it, and it was like a reddish burgundy color. I did the pillows, the 2 pillows that y'all looking at, but as you can see, I did the gold trim. This one is coming off, which I need to fix today because my grandson got to it. And then this is the bench that I did to go with it, and I got the gold trim around the edge. And when I get tired of looking at this color, I'm going to change it. But right now, it's fine. It's been like that for almost a year. So I just brought this. I haven't decided if I'm going to... oh, this is my mannequin. I got my jacket on it. But this is when I make my clothes. This is where I put them at. Not all the time, though, but most of the time. And then here's one of my wigs that I did. I just have to curl it. And I'll probably do a video on that if y'all care to watch. And then this is the clothes inside. But as you can see, all my stuff is nice and neat. Because I am not no sloppy person. And I don't deal with sloppy people. Not that I'm judging. I'm just saying I have OCD. So I got to keep my stuff neat and organized. Unorganization, it messes with my bipolarism. So, and I made these curtains too. Let me back up. So this closes like this. We're just kind of stuck. Alright, we just gonna leave that alone. Alright, so, but I made all my curtains. I think that's all I gotta show y'all. Oh, my shower curtain. She was white. My sister's boyfriend gave me the shower curtain because he know I love Betty Boop. And I grew up thinking that she was white, but she was actually black. So all the Betty Boop stuff that he gave me, I painted the face. Well, in this case, I painted the face and the body black. And then I got the Betty Boop trash can. See, I painted her black too. So I got all the Betty Boop stuff. And then I did this one for my, I'm in my bathroom. This one is on the wall. So I got 3 Betty Boop things in here. I think that is it for me to show y'all. I already showed y'all the mirror. Oh, y'all ain't never see this picture. Okay. Now, this is an oil painting that I did when I was living in Philadelphia and I was going to community college of Philadelphia. And they don't let you use acrylic, so I had to use oil paint, and I hated it. The only reason why I got this picture and I didn't give it away or throw it away because I put a lot of work into it. It took me 2.5 weeks to get it to look the way that it looked because Alexa, pause music. I keep forgetting to say Alexa, pause music. So my teacher was telling us to go to the art museum, look for a master picture, and then take a picture of it, and then our homework was to start next week to start to recreate this picture. So this is what I got from it. I didn't like it when it was done the way you see it now, but my teacher loved it. He freaking loved it. This one is not on my art page either. This is called the long nose of the law. I forgot why I did this, but it was, I used to do vector art. I don't know if anybody knows what that is, but I used to go to the art. I went to the Art Institute first for art, and then I went to community college. These are all my games and stuff. My record player. I race remote control cars. That's my robot, and these are all my board games. I'm having game night probably one day next month. I'm gonna have game night. Invite everybody over, like family wise, because I ain't got no friends. And then, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, oh, and this big ass truck. This is a remote control truck, and it has a radio back here. I love remote control stuff. I'm like a big ass kid. And I did this lamp right here. Yep. Took me about maybe an hour and a half to do that, to do this drawing in layers. And then this is the vanity set. I did this too. The one shelf down there that's, you see the purple, I still got to do that one because I've been procrastinating on it. But as, oh shit, I can't stand in the video. Okay. But as you can see, and this cuts on. And that thing keep falling down, like somebody keep walking by and knocking it down, and ain't nobody in this joint but me. I did the bench too, that's down there. So that's the end of the tour. Thanks for watching. Bye.